Hey, I'm Ted from Garmin. I'll be showing you some of the features of the Alpha GPS tracking and training system for sporting dogs. The Alpha is Garmin's premier system for industry-leading tracking from Garmin and state-of-the-art electronic training from Tritronics. And it's all packed into one collar and one handheld device. The Alpha system will update location as quickly as every 2.5 seconds, and your training commands to your dog are instantaneous. The Alpha 100, the handheld portion of the system, features a 3-inch Sunlight-Readable Touchscreen display powered by a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. It's waterproof to IPX7 standards, and it's glove-friendly too. Using proven Garmin technology, the touchscreen lets hunters and trainers configure their setup to their specific needs, yet it displays only the relevant information necessary to accomplish a task. Across the top of the display, there are 3 large configurable buttons that are used for training and quickly correcting your dog at any time. Let's talk a bit about the Alpha's GPS tracking features. The handheld has a high-sensitivity GPS receiver for fast satellite acquisition and reliable tracking in thick woods and deep canyons. Each Alpha handheld can track any combination of 20 dogs or hunting buddies up to 9 miles away depending on terrain. You heard right, the Alpha is the first device of its kind that can track other handheld devices. There's no more wondering where the rest of your hunting party is, and that makes your time of field not just easier, but safer. The Alpha comes preloaded with 100K Topo Maps for the entire United States. When running big running hunting dogs, maps are crucial. They let you know if your dog is, say, on the other side of a creek or running towards a busy road. And with the Alpha, you can always make a quick correction to get your dogs back on track. You can also load the Alpha with other maps, including bird's eye satellite imagery, sold separately. Bird's eye gives you highly detailed aerial photos that depict buildings, trails, trees, and more, right there on your Alpha handheld. Of course, the Alpha system incorporates a top-of-the-line e-collar with built-in Tritronics technology, the leader in safe and effective remote dog training for more than 40 years. The highly configurable system offers trainers the ability to correct multiple dogs on the same unit, and the user can set up each collar with 18 levels of momentary or continuous stimulation as well as tone. Let's talk a bit more about the collar portion of the Alpha system, known as the TT10. The 1-inch polyurethane collar strap is easily replaceable, which makes it easy to distinguish between multiple units. The high-sensitivity GPS receiver rides on top of the dog's neck for optimal reception. The VHF antenna is coated stainless steel aircraft cable that'll stand up to the abuse that hunting dogs can dish out. And for hunters who track their dogs at night, we've integrated 2 LED beacons that can be seen from up to 100 yards away. And for large hunting groups, the Alpha supports up to 100 collars in operation in one area too. Of course, the TT10 is waterproof with just one charging interface that won't get fouled with debris. The collar's battery life ranges from 24 to 43 hours depending on your settings and usage. And if your collar's battery is running low, the update rate can be changed on the fly to extend its life. Because of enhanced features like remote training, a faster update rate, and expanding the number of dogs and buddies the system is capable of tracking, the Alpha does not communicate with Garmin Astro or Tritronics products. This season, step up to the Alpha, the most advanced yet easy-to-use GPS tracking and training system available. For more information on the Alpha GPS tracking and training system, visit garmin.com/alpha.